What is one moment in your life you thought could only happen in a movie? I started a new job and showed up early and the place was locked. Called and a very pretty woman came and opened the door for me. We chatted for a while and waited for my trainer to show up. Her last name was Italian and I wanted to impress her with my language skills, so I asked about her last name and we started chatting about Italy. She told me she had lived in Rome. I joking told her I thought Rome was a city of old buildings and feral cats. I had lived in Florence and proclaimed it was the superior city. Her response was Florence was a city full of fat tourists and failing artists. She was pretty and had game. Needless to say, I was interested. At that moment my trainer showed up and I had to start my first day of work. I finished early and walked by her office, and before I left for the day I popped my head in and said, "Listen, you love Rome. Me not so much. I love Florence. You not so much. Why don't we split the difference and have our honeymoon in Umbria so we will both be happy?" I have no idea why I said it. The line just came to me. Had no idea what her situation was or if she was into me. 3.5 years later we celebrated our honeymoon in Umbria. I asked my wife to marry me the first day I met her.